Over here, I want to show you a method, a little trick for adding up to 100. If you have a 2-digit number, then what number goes here so that you will get 100? And the trick goes like this. Think of this 7, and 7 plus how many makes 10? That's easy, it is 3. And then take the tens digit, which is 4. And 4 and how many makes 9? 5. In other words, here you take 7 and how many makes 10, and then 4 and how many makes 9. Okay? And the reason it works is because 7 plus 3 makes 10, you would have a carry here. Or regrouping, there would be 1 here, then 1 plus 4 plus 5 makes the 10. But as far as these two numbers, they together only make 9. So let's look at it here again. 4 and how many makes 10, and then 8 and how many makes 9. 4 and 6 makes 10, and 8 and 1 makes 9, right? One more time. Can you tell me? 9 and how many makes 10? And then 3 and how many makes 9? So we put 6 here. 61. 39 and 61. We can use this trick when we're using mental math and figuring out the change, okay? Because often in figuring out the change you have 100 cents, 200 cents, $1, $2, $5 amounts, and they are exactly so many hundreds of cents. So let's say, for example, that you buy something for 63 cents and you give $1, your change would go here. So basically you can think this 63 and 100. Think of the 3 and how many makes 10, and 6 and how many makes 9, okay? And we would get 3 and 7 and 6 and 3. So 37 cents is your change here. $9.72 plus how much makes $10? Okay, we already have $9, so all we need to think about is the 72 cents and how many more makes 100 cents, right? So again, 2 and how many makes 10, and then 7 and how many makes 9. 2 and 8, and 7 and 2. So 28 cents. We can use this idea now when we are figuring out the change for these three situations. Some medicine here costs $15.68, and you give $20. I can first think of this 68 cents. 68 cents plus how many cents would give me 100. Okay, I'm still thinking of counting up from this number till 20. But I will first count up from the 68 cents till the next whole dollar, till 100 cents. And then I just have the whole dollars to deal with. So, thinking of this 68, I would add 3 and 2, right? So that I would get 9 here and 10 here. 3 and 2. So, 32 cents. And after that, I am at $16. And from $16 to $20 is just $4. So, the change is $4.32. A piano book costs $11.33, and Matthew pays with $15. Okay. How has it been going, Matthew, with your piano lessons? Oh, he's saying pretty good. Okay. Do you like it? Pretty good. Okay. Well, just keep practicing. Keep practicing. Okay. $11.33. I'll do the same thing. I'll first figure out, counting up, from 33 cents to the next whole dollar. So this 33 plus what number makes 100? Okay. 3 and 6 makes 9. 3 and 7 makes 10. So 6 and 7. 67. And then I am at $12, right? And then I just need $3 more. So we get the change $3.67. And then lastly, a batting glove costs $25.95. And you give $30. Now this one is actually easier than the previous two problems. Can you tell me how much the change will be? We have 95 cents. So we only need 5 cents to go up to the next whole dollar. So 5 cents. And then we are at $26. So $4 more after that. So the change is $4.05. Okay, all done with these problems.